Evening, welcome to the man cave. I know it's been a while. We've had a lot going on lately with the end of school. Things are pretty hectic around here. But we did just get in a box from Amazon from earlier this month. My quest to have all of the epic encounters is one step closer. I have to slow things down a little bit because we're saving up for Gen Con, so. That's upside down. Alright. So this is the Red Dragon. I had a $25 gift certificate, so I was able to order this. So this says, Lair of the Red Dragon. It is cunning that gleams in the eye of the Red Dragon. Or no, I'm sorry. Is it cunning that gleams in the Red Dragon's eye, or a reflection of the gold so jealously hoards? Well, intelligent with... man, I'm not reading good. With intelligence sharp as his teeth, this tyrant covets riches above all else, and will rain fire on any foolish enough to enter his glittering lair. So, this is one of the boss boxes, of course. The first one, I believe. Oh. Alright, so of course it comes with the book. It comes with some punch outs here. It's got some little kobold tokens and a couple of lava pools to add to maps. Speaking of maps, we have this beautiful Lair of the Red Dragon here. And then on the other side, it's a very similar map, just in a bit of a different configuration. So set that down right here. Alright, and then we get to the piece de resistance, the dragon itself. What everybody came to see. Here's the base, and then the wings here get added on. 'Here we go. One. And two. So there is our beautiful red dragon. He's not going back in the box. Let's put him on his mat here. Like I said, this is the boss box. It goes with the minion box that we have set up right here next door. This is the shrine of the Kobold Queen. That's each of the minis that they have there. And then for a little bit of perspective, I thought we'd put him over here next to the rest of our large horde. He is one of the bigger pieces due to that wingspan. And as you can see, the only pieces we are missing are the new knolls and the Lich Queen. So maybe when I go to Gen Con, I'll be able to pick some of those. I'll be able to pick those up at the booth itself. That's my plan anyway. Unless I get another deal beforehand. It's too good to pass up. So. All right. Well, thank you for coming tonight. We're going to hopefully be coming at you on a more regular basis after this. And have a good evening. This is us signing off from the Man Cave.